Hey friends, if you encounter rtf64x64.sys blue screen of death error with the error code 0x000000d1 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The first one is to update the network drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for network adapter drivers. Right click on the MediaTek one and then select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. The next one is a malware scan on your system. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command mrt and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool. It will need a few seconds. Click on next, select full scan, select next, and then it will run. The next solution is to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is the memory diagnostic tool. Search for Windows Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar and open Windows Memory Diagnostic. Select restart now and check for problems. And the last solution is a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Select next and click on finish, or I'll tell you a better one. Choose a different restore point. Select next, choose a good restore point, click on next, and finally click on finish. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.